Hi guys! Welcome to my class. There are a lot of math magic that you should know, and I am going to share it with you. I want you to watch until the end so that you will learn the magic. Please subscribe so that you will be notified on the next math magic. Then like and share so that you can help other students. But before I proceed, I would like to ask you, which type of gas is provided by trees? Yes, you are correct. The answer is oxygen. The more trees we have around, the cleaner air we can breathe. I want you to listen very well. If we have less clean air around us, it will give us headache, dizziness, restlessness, difficulty in breathing, sweating, tiredness, increased heart rate, elevated blood pressure, and sometimes convulsions. So guys, we need a lot of trees and green plants around us so that we're going to be healthy always. We're going to have a lot of clean air and the carbon dioxide will be absorbed by the leaves. Let me guide you in the magic of table of 2. You know that any number multiplied by 1, the answer is the number itself. So 2 times 1 is equal to 2. 2 times 2 is equal to 4. 2 times 3 is equal to 6. 2 times 4 is equal to 8. 2 times 5 is equal to 10. Now, I want you to notice all the answers. It is keep counting by 2. Look, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Let us move to 2 times 6. It is equal to 12. You took the tens from 2 times 5 and the ones from 2 times 1. 2 times 7 is equal to 14. You took the tens from 2 times 5 and the ones from 2 times 2. That is why it is 14. 2 times 8 is equal to 16. You took the tens from 2 times 5 and the ones from 2 times 3. That is why it is 16. 2 times 9 is equal to 18. Again, you took the tens from 2 times 5 and the ones from 2 times 4. That's why it is 18. And 2 times 10 is equal to 20. To make it easier for you, let's make a 2-column table with 5 rows. I want you to put 0 on the first column and 1 on the second column up to the 4 rows only. I want you to put 1 on the last row of the first column and 2 on the last row of the second column. Now, I want you to put number 2 on the first row as the second number. And number 4 on the second row as the second number. 6 on the third row as the second number. 8 on the fourth row as the second number. And 0 on the last row as the second number. Now, you can make it easier, right? Now, it is easier to remember the table of 2 on this way. Let's move to the table of 3. 3 times 1 is equal to 3. 3 times 2 is equal to 6. And 3 times 3 is equal to 9. You can notice on the answer that you're just going to add 3 in each number. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. And 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. 3 times 4 is equal to 12. 3 times 5 is equal to 15. And 3 times 6 is equal to 18. On the answer, you're just going to add 3. 12 plus 3 is equal to 15. And 15 plus 3 is equal to 18. 3 times 7 is equal to 21. 3 times 8 is equal to 24. And 3 times 9 is equal to 27. Again, you can notice that on each answer, you're going to add plus 3. 21 plus 3 is equal to 24, and 24 plus 3 is equal to 27. On 3 times 10 is equal to 30. Let us make a 3-column table with 3 rows to make it easier for you. Then, put 0 on the first row, number 1 on the second row, and number 2 on the third row as you can see. Let us start filling the second number, starting from the bottom, going up on the first column. Start with number 1, then number 2, then number 3. It must be counting number. So from the bottom going to the top, it is 1, 2, 3. Let us go down again on the second column, going up. So, we're going to start with number 4 because we finished number 3. The next number will be 5. It must be going up. The next number after 5 is 6. Then, we need to go down again and start with number 7. The next number is 8. And the last number on top is 9. Just put 30 outside the 3-column table. Now guys, look at the pattern. The first number, from top to bottom, it is 0, 1, 2. 0, 1, 2. Right? Then you will just start counting from the bottom going to the top by the counting numbers. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, table of 3 is very easy for you. Now, I want you to name the mineral necessary for our bones. Do you know it? Yes, you are correct. It is calcium. Do you know that absorbing calcium depends on a very important vitamin? It is vitamin D. And yes, we can get fortified sources of vitamin D coming from the sun. We need to expose ourselves without sunblock under the heat of the sun for 20 to 30 minutes every day to get a strong bone and strong teeth. And the best time here in UAE to expose yourself under the heat of the sun is from 10 a.m. up to 3 p.m. Remember, 20 to 30 minutes only. Don't overexpose yourself. Okay? I bet guys, before the video ends, you have mastered the table of 2 and 3. Just watch Math Magic to be wise and healthy. Score high in math. Be wise and healthy. Bye-bye. Till Math Magic.